Hi everyone, my name is Niyati Bishnoi and I got All India rank 57 in CLAT 2024 and All India rank 55 in ALA 2024. Today I am here to share my CLAT journey with you all, and it is a very fun, exciting journey with a lot of mental pressure, stress, panic attacks and anxiety, which was very common in a 2.5 year long preparation, right? So it was a long journey basically. That's what I'm trying to say. That 2.5 years is a very long time. Just one thing that I want all of you to know is that please don't lose your self-confidence if you didn't get in 11th or 12th, and if you're like given your more than a year to this examination and you still didn't get what you wanted, because it isn't about the time you are giving it. It is more of like, it has luck factor. It is a lot of things are at work when you are like doing this examination, when you are appearing for this exam. So yeah, please don't lose self-confidence at any level of your preparation, because it is very fatal for any of your attempt. So let's get back to my journey now. Because it has a lot of under self-confidence for a long time and doubting yourself, like whether you are made for this, whether this is your right choice and everything else. So it was June 2021. I passed 10th. I was 14-year-old and I took a dummy school, right, for 11th and 12th. So now for next 1.5 year, because the paper was in December 2022, I have just one thing to do: CLAT. So in the whole 11th, like 1 year from June 2021 to June 2022, I was very much chill. Not chill in about studying or anything, but chill. I was not thinking about what will F, what will that, what will this, that. Was never into that thing. And then I appeared for June 2022 CLAT examination, because even though I was not eligible to like appear for that, but I still did because I really wanted to check myself there. And I got some 1007 or 8 rank, I don't remember exactly. And I was happy at that time. I was like, bro, I get this in 1 year. I can improve my score. I can improve my mistakes and get a better rank in CLAT 2023, which was my final attempt, or like my real attempt, or right. So I had that 6 months and I was pretty much clear on my agenda. 1000 से 100 तक तो आ ही जानी चाहिए. That's how you can get your dream college as analyst, right? And I wasn't thinking about ALET or anything. CLAT was the main goal at that time. ALET was not even in my mind. So yeah, then in the next 6 months, a lot of things were happening. Was getting more stressed out on things. I was getting more angrier on a few little things, right? Because the mock score, you are not getting good score, or like there are just very simple issues like ALET की भी साथ में तैयारी करनी है. Because by the time of September 2022, I was very much aware कि ALET भी कर सकते हैं हम. I can crack ALET. So I was trying to struggle even like maintain between ALET and CLAT का balance, and then I was struggling between mock scores and just this random headache about what if this, what if that, and it was a lot of pressure. I had a lot of breakdowns between this time, and yeah, इसीलिए I have been very much aware about my mood. I'm like, through this CLAT journey, this is a very big thing that happened to me. Throughout this CLAT journey, I've come to know myself, like what I am, like what I dream of, what I am more compassionate about, like what is my passion basically. So yeah, I mean, CLAT helped me like explore myself and like improve my personality and just being me for the time being, right? So CLAT helped me a lot in that factor, but it was a huge low when I appeared for my final examination, like CLAT 2023 on 18 December. That was the day I turned 16. I turned 16 on 18 December, and it was a heartbreak at that time, because the moment I finished my paper, I was like, this is not what I wanted. This is not what I wanted my paper to be like. Like, this was not how I suppose my paper will go. And I was like very much sure that it's not like I'm going to NLS, but I was still hoping on some good college. So I got my result and I got NLU Patiala again, because June 22 के attempt में भी जो मेरी rank थी उसके according भी मुझे NLU Patiala मिल रहा था, and then in this attempt also I was getting NLU Patiala, which was quite disheartening. Not that I do not like NLU Patiala, I love that college, but just that when you're preparing for such a long time, and it was this कि मेरे को CLAT का बहुत पहले से आइडिया था. When I was in 5th or 6th standard, I was very much clear मुझे CLAT करना है. I have to do BLLB, and I was very much sure about my career path and everything. So you have this thing about CLAT for such a long time in your life, when you were such a kid, and then preparing for it for this long time. It was a heartbreak to get NLU Patiala. and I was not quite sure what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a drop, I'm gonna stuck to like NLU Patiala or anything. But for the time being, I froze my option there. Like I'm like, okay, let's go to NLU Patiala and we'll figure it out later. Then what happened was I had to give boards, and I haven't even bought a single book. So I bought my books in January and I started studying, because next 3 months was all about boards. Because I need to get at least good marks in boards. Otherwise, what am I here? I'm not getting good marks in boards, and I'm like going to NLU. I'm not getting what I wanted. So basically, the next 3 months I was just there preparing for board examination, in which I got 95%, and I'm very much proud of that. But let's get back to the story now. Now it is March 2023. I have got NLU Patiala. I will be going there if I do not choose to take a drop. So I went to Vaishno Devi temple with my cousin as a family trip, right? And there I got a lot of clarity like what I want to do. So once I came back to trip, I started preparing for MHSET. MHSET में I got All India rank 82, and that boosted my confidence a lot. Yeah, I can improve. It's fine if I didn't get in CLAT, but I can improve. I have a scope of improvement. And with that MHSET result, I was even more clear that I will have to do CLAT again. But there was a big question running even now. Took a partial drop or a complete drop? And many of my friends took complete drop, those who were like thinking and in the same dilemma as me. Because I mean, yeah, there are a lot of people who were disheartened obviously in CLAT 2023. So taking a drop, and I was not very sure of doing that because I was pretty much done with CLAT at that point. Like I was disappointed with CLAT basically, with what it has like done to my mental health. I was not ready to hustle with that same pressure again daily basis. So I was taking a partial drop, and I even recommended to even my students now, as I'm a CR mentor at Mega GK. You might have like heard me a lot in saying the same phrase in Mega GK CR basic concept series. But yeah, so इसीलिए I took a partial drop. There was very strong reason. I do not want the pressure again, and I do not want to feel this regret कि अगर इस बार CLAT में नहीं हुआ तो फिर से मुझे जो पहले मिल रहा था वो क्या पता वो भी ना मिले, क्या मुझे पहले पटियाला मिल रहा था मे बी वो दोबारा ना मिले. So I was not ready for that. So I go to NLU Patiala. So yeah, in the April, May, June time, I have 3 months. I started like working on my CLAT things again. So CLAT से तैयारी शुरू किया, and then I went to college, and college के अंदर the real hustle began. But it was not about mental pressure more, it was about managing the college and CLAT together, because it is not easy at all. Even managing school and CLAT together is difficult, and college is like at different level, because college में you have things to do from night to morning and morning to night, क्योंकि there are a lot of things generally going on in college along with class acads thing, right? इसीलिए the next 6 months were full of happenings. But one greatest fact about this thing of me going to NLU Patiala, I found my real friends. Like not real, but basically the best people. Like I love them. I can call them at midnight and be like, bro, there's drama and all. So it was like a very good thing that I found some good people in my life. But generally apart from that, it was very difficult. So basically my schedule look more like this. I go to college at 9. सुबह कुछ नहीं पढ़ाई होगी मुझसे, बिकॉज सुबह मुझसे नहीं उठा जाएगा, एंड आई कैन नॉट बी लाइक दिस मच. और मैं खुद पे इतना ज्यादा भरोसा भी नहीं कर सकती कि आई कैन वेक अप एट लाइक 5 एंड स्टडी फॉर CLAT फॉर 1 hour. सो आई वॉज वेरी मच क्लियर, शाम को करेंगे जो भी होगा. So I go to college at 9. I come back around 2:30 reading newspaper. Like 3 बजने के साथ साथ I start reading the newspaper daily. उसके बाद न्यूज़पेपर के बाद I'll do my GK because there is a backlog there. January to like April का थोड़ा सा backlog था, and even general stuff का backlog, right? So I completed my backlog after that, and उसके बाद भी if I have some like उसके बाद मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता था basically, because एक दिन में मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ के backlog कवर कर सकती हूँ GK का, या फिर मैं mock दे सकती हूँ एक दिन and उसको analyze कर सकती हूँ, and analyze भी next day होता है obviously. So I have this very tight schedule, just like 2 to 3 hours of doing CLAT. And it was not a very good thing for me like personally, but 2 to 3 hours for CLAT, and उसके बाद मेरे पास बहुत सारा काम होता है, कॉलेज का काम है, and there are things in college, right? So एक दिन मैंने जैसे कॉलेज से आके न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा एंड उसके बाद मैंने जीके बैकलॉग कवर किया. नेक्स्ट डे आई एम गिविंग अ मॉक, द थर्ड डे आई एम एनालाइजिंग इट, फोर्थ डे एंड इसके साथ साथ न्यूज़पेपर डेली चल रहा है. ओके, इट्स नॉट लाइक यू कैन लीव द न्यूज़पेपर बिहाइंड. एंड उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे के बाद दोबारा फिर से हमने जीके बैकलॉग कवर किया, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा, मॉक दिया, एनालाइज किया, एंड देयर वाज जस्ट दिस कंटिन्यूअस सर्कल, मॉक एनालिसिस, मॉक एनालिसिस, मॉक एनालिसिस. देयर वाज नो अदर वे आउट. बिकॉज अगर मैं सेक्शनल करने बैठती तो फिर मतलब सिर्फ सेक्शनल से तुम्हारी प्रिपरेशन ऑन योर स्ट्रैटेजी वर्कआउट नहीं हो पाती है. बिकॉज एक मॉक की स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत अलग होती है एक सीआर और किसी भी सेक्शनल की. इसीलिए आई वॉज जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन गिविंग मॉक्स. ऐसे करते करते एंड देयर वाज वन मोर थिंग आई डिड. ऑल दोज हु आर टेकिंग अ पार्शियल ड्रॉप कैन शुड ऑल्सो डू दिस सेम थिंग कि finish your practicals, or like not practicals but your project works, like written submission of your project works on time. हमें project का पता चल गया था that we have to do projects, and August के starting में we got the idea that we have to do this, and October में submission था. I had like 2 months to do my project submission of 6 subjects basically in first semester, and I did all those projects in August month only. I was devoting a lot of time in doing the project work in August because I was clear क्लाट आएगा तो आई हैव टू गिव मोर टाइम टू देम, एंड आई कैन नॉट वेस्ट माई टाइम डूइंग द कॉलेज का प्रोजेक्ट वर्क कि वो मैं अब डेडलाइन पे छोड़ के. सो ऑलवेज लाइक अभी व्हेन यू आर इन कॉलेज तो तुम पहले अपना प्रोजेक्ट वर्क पूरा करें कि वो डेडलाइन के लिए वेट मत करो, एंड इस वजह से ताकि तुम्हारे ऊपर बाद में प्रेशर ना बिल्ड हो. सो या गेटिंग बैक टू इट, मैंने प्रोजेक्ट वर्क भी अगस्त के अंदर खत्म कर लिया था ताकि बाय द टाइम क्लाट इज अप्रोचिंग आई हैव टाइम for preparing for it. Right now we come back to this again. जैसे अगस्त चला गया, सितंबर चला गया, अक्टूबर भी चला गया, and then there was in November it was Diwali, and we came back home for Diwali. Obviously दिवाली की छुट्टी होती है कॉलेजेस में, so it's still on that point. So I came back home for Diwali and I didn't go back to college because हमारे दिवाली के बाद हमारे पास as such कोई our modules were over and there wasn't much thing going on in classes, and सिर्फ पेपर थे जो कि दिसंबर में होने थे अराउंड 4 to 5 दिसंबर, क्लाट के जस्ट 2-3 दिन बाद. राइट, सो मतलब दिवाली के बाद आई केम बैक होम एंड आई वाज लाइक आई कैन नॉट गो बैक देयर. आई हैव टू गिव लाइक नाउ 8 to 9 hours a day टू क्लाट ताकि मेरा कंप्लीट हो सके सारा बैकलॉग एंड आई कैन रिवाइज ऑल्सो. इसीलिए November, almost all the month of November 2023, I was at home, and every day of November, I agree on this point, I've studied for at least 9 hours. Not even a single day missed, not even Diwali, except for the Diwali day. मतलब जिस दिन दिवाली थी उस दिन के अलावा I didn't waste a single day, not even a single minute. That was the maximum potential I've reached. Because I was really proud of that thing at that moment. November के अंदर my schedule was very much tight. I was doing January revision, and then firstly GK revision was the biggest point, and उसके बाद भी I have to do give mocks, I have to work on A-Lit, and there was one very important thing. When I started preparing for CLAT again as after taking the partial drop, I was more inclined to going for A-Lit. So you guys just need to know this one thing. Even when I was in college, I was more giving mocks of A-Lit instead of giving mock of CLAT. And it was a very weird thing to do as generally, because I was like, there was just one factor also that let's try for NLUT, because there were few factors that were are encouraging me to do focus on A-Lit instead of CLAT. So even when I'm covering GK, I'm covering more of one-liners instead of doing the full topic revision and everything. That is the point I'm trying to make. मैंने A-Lit के लिए 6 महीने इतना ज़्यादा तैयारी किया था. Even I was not even that much into CLAT उस time पे. I don't know what my mindset was at that time. My mindset was basically more into A-Lit. So even in November, I'm giving more mocks of A-Lit. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा A-Lit specific तैयारी कर रही हूँ. And even my D-Day was more about 10 December, not the 3rd December. And still, I did prepare for CLAT. It's not like I was giving all my time, but majority of time to A-Lit. So on 3rd December, there are a lot of things if I come to my strategy and all, and this video will go to 45 minutes, but I cannot do that right now. उसके लिए I will either I'll make a different video, but let's get back to the story now, because it is a journey video, it's not about the strategy and all. So on 3rd December, I go back. And even my CLAT center was obviously NLU Patiala only, and I was living there in the hostel, so it was so convenient. I just have to walk to our card block and sit on the same benches where I sit for daily classes के लिए भी. and it was so familiar. Even the professor who were doing as the like invigilators and all, everybody was so familiar. So it was very easy. I can navigate the whole place on my hands and all. So yeah, my even friends dropped me to the like a card block जहाँ पे exam हो रहा था, and they were like, all the best Niyati, you can do this, there's no worst case scenario. They were like motivating me before the paper, and it was a very tough time. Basically it was a tough time because you don't know, it was your third attempt basically. First attempt तो चलो ठीक है, first I was not eligible, but still I give that attempt. So it was your third attempt and you are not sure what is gonna happen and how will the paper look like, because CLAT is so uncertain. So I went in there and I gave the paper to the best of my strategy. I'm very much sure I didn't commit a single mistake that I had committed in CLAT 23 or ever in even a single mock. This was my biggest conviction. I didn't do a single mistake on which I worked upon. Not even panic attacks, not even like marking a wrong OMR sheet, no silly mistake or no strategy wise भी कोई mistake नहीं किया. I had that very comprehensive strategy also. Not even a single mistake. And I got All India rank 55. So उसके बाद 3rd December से हम साथ में हमारे एंड टर्म भी स्टार्ट हो चुके थे, लाइक द फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ सेमेस्टर 1 एट NLU Patiala. So when you have like 1 week to elate, बीच में मैं I'm reading English for my semester examination and साथ में I'm getting back to it. And there was a lot of hustle between like उस टाइम वो end term भी चले थे and I was not like, उस टाइम मेरे को CLAT का idea भी नहीं था कि what will I get in CLAT. So I was very serious for my end term examination because I wanted a good like CGPS and all. इसीलिए उस 1 week for elate I was juggling between end term examination preparation and CLAT elate preparation. 10 December को I went to Chandigarh and I appeared for that exam. It was amazing. Elate experience was super lit for me because elate was the mindset I have for this long time, and I was so happy after giving the exam. I didn't know how it went, or like I was not very sure if I'm getting the NLU D or not, but I was happy. I was happy about everything that I did. I was happy about my CLAT preparation. I was happy about my elate preparation, even though I have not got my result even now. Like मेरे पास result नहीं आया था, but I was happy about generally like this is done. Now whatever the result will be, I will be happy with that because this is the maximum I can do for now CLAT, right? So 10 December को I came back to college because next day we have our history का exam in the college, and शाम को there was a huge scream in our hallway. That is because क्योंकि NLU Patiala के अंदर there were like आराम से 15-20 student like me and other who were preparing for CLAT again and like taking this partial drop and all. So there was a huge scream because people were screaming because one of our friend got into NLU Jodhpur. So I was like, okay, result is out there, and I was not able to record the my result when I was checking it because I was so shaky, and it was a lot of emotion of like two, and even my hands are still shaking because it was that feeling which I cannot resist. It was the feeling of the hard work, and trust me, when you put the real hard work and when you get the result of it, you will never be like more satisfied. इससे ज़्यादा satisfaction कहीं भी नहीं मिल सकता है. So I opened my result and I was screaming. Because I have so many things to do now. I have to tell Mama, Papa, I have to tell my friends, I have to tell my mentors, I have to tell Manav sir obviously. And it was amazing. Like it was amazing day. Next day हमारा history का paper था, every one of us. But none of my friend left my bag for like till it was 12 or 1 and they have to prepare for history. मेरा तो फिर भी चल जाता because I'm not going to stay in that college anymore. But they were like, Niyati, we want to celebrate it with you. You have cracked the CLAT. You are doing it. You are doing it. So they are like, those are your real friends that have their back even though they are dying. उनका कल history का paper है, but they were still with me for till 12 or 1 and like we were celebrating it all night. Just celebrating it. And I called Mama, Papa, I called my mentors. Everyone was so happy. Everyone suddenly is like, please give us interview. I was like, oh, this feeling is just so amazing. And ऐसे ही जैसे CLAT का जो जैसे the happiness will like decreasing obviously. एक point of time के बाद you start on moving on even from the happiness also. इतने में ही I got elate का result and it was AR 55. And that day I was in awe. I was like, wow, Niyati, you did it after like 2.5 years. I'm so proud of you, and like I'm so proud of myself at that moment. And उस time पे I have this call with Mana sir also for like a very long time, like NLS or NLUD. I mean, the point of hypocrisy, there was a lot of hypocrisy here, that I was preparing for ELIT specifically for 6 months, and suddenly I'm like debating this thing of NLS or NLUD. Because जो last 6 months थे ना, उस time मैंने सिर्फ ड्रीम किया था कि what if I go to NLUD, what if I go to NLUD. I was never even thinking if I'll get NLS or not. I didn't think a single time, because अगर मैंने सोचा भी होता ना तो फिर I would have that idea कि मुझे क्या करना है. But that choice between NLS and NLUD was lit. It was such a good day of my life. Even I'm talking to my friends and they're like, Pawniyati, yes. They were even giving their ideas about it, their opinions, what would they have done if they were like so much lucky. And it was a important thing to realize here. There is a lot of luck factor playing in CLAT. Please just remember this thing in yourself, because there is a lot of luck factor, and I find myself very lucky that the divine powers have like given me this opportunity to be this lucky person and get to my dream college. But guys, so yeah, getting back to the story, I was giving interviews, and like I was even talking to Mana sir like, let's just join us on the board. I was like, yes sir, I'm really excited to tell everyone my story, because I think it was a good story, and not just good story, but it was a interesting story to my life, because I give 2.5 years. I found who I am, I built my personality, I have found what I want generally in life, and who the real Niyati is, and like what are her characteristics in that sense, right? So this was the biggest takeaway. CLAT taught me a lot of things. It taught me a lot of kindness and compassion also. Like I was very much, let's not get into that because it will be a whole journey of who Niyati is, but still, let's get back to the point. And then I joined Mana sir as like CR mentor of the subject, because CR was a very important factor in my life. I was not good at CR, but in the last 1 year, I improved my CR drastically, because I did a few things that really wanted to share with few students of Mega GK and like whoever the student is basically. So yeah, that was my CLAT journey pretty much. And there's just one more aspect. On 18 December 2022, I was very sad because I ruined my own paper by like having anxiety attack and by like not following the strategy. And on 18 December 2023, I was that very much happy and satisfied girl with my life, because I was having this very big dilemma of choosing NLS or NLUT. And that 1 year was very important, because this 1 year of 2023, it was such a like big year. I was going to college, but I was getting such a good friends. I was getting anxiety and all because CLAT ke liye dobara prepare kar, and there was a dilemma. So yeah, it was a big journey, and I hope you all liked this journey. I'm pretty much trying to be like very much like humble about this thing, that okay, there's a manifesting thing here. Like I manifested this thing for like 2.5 years, so I get this thing, right? Yeah, that's all. I love you guys. If you are watching this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'm not even like a camera person. I just hate photos and all. I just like to be in the moment. But Mana sir asked us to do this thing, and I'm really excited to do this now also. I loved this part that I shared my journey and I relived this experience, especially the day I got my result. I was really, really happy. Yeah, that's all.